What if your vacuum could cut its own hair, clean off tough messes in one pass, and on top of that, wash and iron dry itself? If you think that's impossible, well, think again, because that's now a reality with the Narwal S30 and S30 Pro. Today, I'll be testing both models here side by side, showing you real messes, unique features, and the difference between the Pro and the standard version. The unboxing experience is pretty much straightforward. From the get-go, you get everything that you need for both models, including the charging station, the vacuums themselves, and the handles. You also get an extra mop and an extra filter, and on top of that you get multiple different disposable bags that you can use. With the S30 series of vacuums, you also get the kid and pet safe detergent, and on top of that you also get the integrated deodorant module, and both of these will be included in the boxes of the respective vacuums. One thing I really appreciate is the simplicity of these vacuums. So you just have two buttons on top with a screen to tell you what you are doing. So one is the power button, and then the other button is the mode button. With the Narwal S30 Pro, you get an extra button that's located underneath where the handle is, and this button, you double click it to enable auto detergent filling, and if you double click it again, it disables auto detergent. If you press and hold it, it enables max suction. Now, power and one pass cleaning is one of the unique things that these vacuums can do. So with 20,000 PA suction and 20 Newton downward pressure, the S30 series makes tough, wet and dry messes disappear in a single pass. Just look, for example, as I go through the different messes, the suction power is really there, and I don't have to repeatedly go over the same surface since they both do a good job at making the messes disappear. The Narwal S30 Pro has a unique feature, which is auto hair cutting. It has a built-in blade in the dock that cuts tangled hair off of the roller, so there is no more cleaning by hand. Just look at the way the roller looked before I enabled this automatic hair cutting, and it's not something that you have to worry about. All you need to do is just press one self-cleaning button once the vacuum is in the dock, and it will automatically initiate the self-cleaning. And the first step of that self-cleaning is the automatic hair cutting. Just look at the difference before and the difference after the automatic hair cutting has been completed. And the good thing is that this was all done hands-free with minimal input. So if you have like pet hair, or maybe you have different costumes or hair from different wigs, when you vacuum and you clean and it gets tangled in the mop or the roller, you don't have to worry about that since it will automatically cut the hair and remove it by itself. Another thing that these vacuums can do is self-cleaning and iron dry. You might have got a hint from my previous point, but with one button they wash the roller and use up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit heat to iron dry, keeping it fresh and odor free, so you don't get that wet damp smell after vacuuming, because you just push one button and they automatically take care of the rest. These vacuums also have waste separation and deodorizer. The waste separation bag and deodorizer box mean you can just lift and toss without touching dirty water or debris. So you can see that this little bag here separates the solids or whatever debris might have been on the ground when you did the cleaning, so that it doesn't mix with the water. Now you can just take the dirty water tank and empty it into like a sink or a drain, and you can toss the bag that has the debris into the bin. It's very easy to just slide on a new one and you don't have to get your hands dirty. Edge and under furniture reach is another unique feature that these vacuums can do. So the triple edge cleaning and a 180 flat laying design lets you reach corners, edges and under furniture with ease. If it's dirt underneath the sofa or underneath different furniture, you can easily reach it with this unique design. These vacuums also come with smart features and modes, and with push of just one button you can toggle between the different modes. So you can see here the first mode is AI mode, and this one comes with smart dirt sense, so it's smart that way. And you have also wood and floor cleaning mode for fast drying. If you want to keep things quiet, there's also the quiet mode, which is the one with the moon. And then there is suction mode and max for kitchen messes. To actually enable max on the different vacuums on the S30, you just have to press and hold the mode button that you use to toggle between the different modes. And then on the S30 Pro, you just press and hold the button underneath the handle, which has the auto detergent one. So if you just press and hold it, then it will enable max mode. After having used these vacuums for about 2 weeks now, both models have the same powerful cleaning, but the Pro adds the auto hair cutting blade, higher temperature self clean, and auto detergent dispensing, which the S30 doesn't have. So as you can see, the Narwal S30 series of vacuums are designed to handle the tough messes with no hair entanglement. So pretty much everyday messes that you come across, including hair, whether it's pet hair, costumes, or along those lines, these vacuums will be able to handle that. The good thing is that now they are available for purchase, and if you want to check them out and see what they can do for you, I'll leave the links in the description of this video that you can check out. Thanks for watching.